Hi, this is Shankar, Department of MCA from Worldtech University. My project is TRSC Scheme Secure Multi-Keyword Retrieval over Encrypted Cloud Data. In this paper, we focus on addressing data privacy issue using searchable symmetric encryption. For the first time, we formulate the privacy issue from the aspects of similarity, relevance, and scheme robustness. We observe the server-side ranking based on order preserving encryption. So in this case, what happened to the data leakage can be happen. So we have to avoid for using two-round searchable encryption, that is TRSC scheme. In this case, we have used for two methods like vector space model and homomorphic encryption. This vector space model helps to provide sufficient search accuracy, and the homomorphic encryption enables user to involve in the ranking, while the majority of computer work is done on the server side by operation on the server text. The SSK scheme for the searchable symmetric encryption used to in the TRSK scheme. Requirement for specification, software requirement and hardware requirement. Existing system. A series of searchable symmetric encryption scheme have been proposed to enable search on cybertext. In traditional SSL scheme enable user to securely retrieve the cybertext, but the scheme support only for the Boolean keyword. In this case, with the Boolean keyword only support for the data analysis and data retrieval or viewing. So what happen if user going to search a file, whether a keyword existing in a file or not, without considering the relevant or difference relevant with the queried keyword of this file in the result. So we have to overcome for produce a proposed system TRSC scheme for two-round searchable encryption. The novel technologies in the cryptographic community and the information retrieval community are employed, including homomorphic encryption and the vector space model encryptions. In this case, the data fully search and give the to produce the data user. This is the actual system for the system architecture. The data owner encrypt the data to the CSP, that is cloud service provider. So data owner going to request or view a file or decrypt a file without, if the user without knowing the secret key, they won't download the file. This is the models we have to use for the 5 models, like first of all relevance scoring, second vector space model, third one is homomorphic encryption scheme, fourth one is framework of TRSs, fifth one is enable update. This is the actual use case diagram. The data owner, CSP and the data user. The data owner uses to generate key and encrypt the file, upload to the CSP. The data owner used to only view a file or request a file to the CSP. If a data owner going to download a file, request to the file to CSP. Thereafter only CSP give the, if a secret key is matched, the CSP permit to download a file. Otherwise the hacker, he will be hacker. The hacker details sent to the data owner. CSP allow only for the decrypt the file, request to file to download, check the secret key. This is the actuals of DFT data flow diagram 0 model. The DFT 1. So this is the actual system. Activity, data owner activity, login, generate key, encrypt and upload a file. The overall architecture of activity diagram: login a file and view top key based on keyword, request a file. If a file or matched, download a file or decrypt a file. Otherwise he will be a hacker. This is sequence diagram. So data owner, authentication, cloud server, data owner, CSP, hackers. These are the how is working involved in a TRSC scheme. The test is actual test case. This is a home page. We will help explain about it, this project. This is a software detail. So these are the modules and we use for this first of all I have to sign out first. This is for the home page for TSS Scheme Secure Multi-Keyword Retrieval over Encrypted Cloud Data. The new user will come. First of all, he want to register himself. If a registered file, they want going to sign in, like admin data owner. I'm a data owner. I'm going to view a file or how many hackers are found. Otherwise, I will upload one file in the cloud server. Login successfully. So data owner going to check, upload a file. If your file or upload, use a file. This is going to your computer directory. So file, where is it available? Just go and select that file and enter the file name, owner name, and enter the keyword, specific keyword. Upload a file. Suppose you want to modify a file, just go and modify the tables. So enter the modification table. Suppose you want to delete your file, so use it to this option, you have to delete the full form. These are the details. So file owner name, file keyword, these are the details available here. Owner file, we have to go for owner file. This owner file, so total number of files uploaded. So when is uploaded, the time and the secret key, keyword, owner name, the file names, ID, everything is available. And one more thing, it is based on which rank is based. These are the detail available in that owner file. File hackers. This is a hacker details. When an unauthorized user going to download a file without knowing that secret key, the hacker details sent to the data owner. So these are the hackers details for accessing the unauthorized file download. So how many of data user are downloaded the file, these are the details available in the download tab, file download tab. Finally, the data owner going to sign out. So if I going to sign in, I am a data user. First of all, I want to register myself. This is the registration page. ds@gmail.com, password ds, address Chennai. The user added successfully. Yes. So I will go to login the page. ds, password ds. I am a data user. So I am going to select a user and submit. Yeah, this is for user page. View a file. So how many of files are available inside that cloud? So download a file. Viewing top K queries. If I am going to enter the key 5, keyword text, keyword text, top K value, enter file. Which file is based on 5 keyword, that file based on top, enter. So fifth one is no. So like that. In next step, third, the rank detail view dot text based on third rank, and below descending to 1 0, like that. These are the file based on key. The top K means that how many data user used or viewed in the file, that file based on rank, like higher. This is a download page. Download a file. If you're going to download, enter your owner name, keyword, secret key. Finally it will be download. finally submit. This is total functions of TRS scheme secure multi-keyword retrieval over encrypted cloud data. The actual work of this function: the data owner going to upload a file or encrypt the file to the cloud server. The data user want to request to view a file or download a file with knowing is now the secret key, otherwise they won't download a file. So this is for authentication purpose used for the cloud server. Thank you.